Canker sores in the mouth. Here is how to naturally get rid of them in just one day without using any medicine. Canker sores are common types of oral lesions, affecting about 20% of people. They may occur in all areas of the oral cavity, under the tongue, on the inside linings of the cheeks and lips. Luckily, this pain does not start in its full intensity immediately upon occurrence. It actually culminates after a few days. Therefore, you have some time to prevent its peak before it gets really bad. Here is the best method to naturally get rid of canker sores. All you need to do is mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of water. Swish the salt water around your mouth and gargle for a couple of minutes, then spit it out. Gargle with this solution at the first sign of the canker sore. This will absorb the fluid from the tissues and naturally accelerate the healing process. Repeat this several times during the day, and you'll be surprised by the amazing effects. Here are several other effective natural remedies for canker sores. Baking soda. Baking soda is a great, low-cost canker sore remedy. It neutralizes acids and reduces the pain and inflammation caused by canker sores. Simply create a paste by mixing baking soda with water, and apply it to the affected area. Rinse your mouth after a few minutes. Repeat 3 to 4 times during the day. Honey. Just apply a small amount of honey around the canker several times daily. It relieves the pain within about 10 minutes, due to strong antiseptic and antibacterial properties. Aloe vera. Aloe vera speeds healing and soothes the inflammation and pain. Just extract the gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf and apply it directly to the affected area. Do this about 3 to 4 times a day. Sage. Sage kills bacteria and viruses and provides instant relief. You should add 2 teaspoons of dried sage in a cup of boiling water. Then, let it cool and use it to rinse your mouth. Coriander. Coriander contains anti-inflammatory, antiseptic and antifungal properties that will reduce the pain associated with canker sores. Add a handful of coriander leaves in a boiling water and leave it to cool. Use this remedy to gargle 3 to 4 times per day.